going inside. And look at this.
Museum of Bollywood.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Madhumita and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to take you all to Museum of Bollywood.
Come with me to explore the Museum of Bollywood situated in Geo World Drive. This is a mall created by Mukesh Ambani and Neeta Ambani. Yes, now the hype is all about Anant and Radhika's wedding that is happening in Mumbai's BKC area, but this mall was operational and running.
Hello everyone, I've just come to the Geo Mall, Mukesh Ambani and Neeta Ambani's mall, and I am visiting the Museum of Bollywood today, which is situated in the Geo Mall. So let's see.
Is Museum of Bollywood posters. Growing up, collecting different Bollywood posters was my one of the hobbies, and I used to really enjoy it. And having seen that over here makes me so happy. Guide poster, Kal Aaj or Kal poster, Dil Tera Divana.
So as we enter, we can see in our right hand side as well as left hand side, both the sides, the posters have kept here so beautifully, and these are all very old Indian cinemas. And yeah, and can you see over here it is written processed and printed in New York. So these posters were not even made in India. These posters were printed in New York and then sent to India for release. So from there we have progressed and come over here. Now we will be entering inside the Museum of Bollywood from here.
Entering the Museum of Bollywood.
And we come here, see lot of posters.
Almost 200 to 300 original posters were put up here in this beautiful manner. You know, there are some unique facts about Museum of Bollywood that no one knows. Fact number 1. Did you know that Museum of Bollywood poster has the largest collection of original and vintage Bollywood posters in the world? Fact number 2. The museum also has a unique feature where you can take home a replica of your favorite poster. They have a team of artists who will create a custom replica for you.
Films, Jewel Thief. So now that I'm going to show you our various Indian heroines of almost 80s, 70s and 90s, and look at them. We have Padmini, Shama, Shakila. I have never watched any movie of Shakila, but these beauties are celebrated over here and kept. All Indian heroines of Indian cinema from the 1970s, 1980s. So I think the most celebrated Indian actress, Asha Parekh, Sharmila Tagore, Rekha, Zeenat Aman. I think these are 1980s or 1970s Indian heroines of the Indian cinema. I think they deserve a lot of appreciation and love. And obviously because of the age and era, they have all been forgotten. But I'm so glad that they are all kept and presented in such a beautiful manner. So that makes my heart feel great. I think the best poster was kept at the last. This is where we exit from the Museum of Bollywood. And if you can just guess what is behind me, India's most celebrated film, Sholay. This poster is kept here at the end of Museum of Bollywood in the Geo Mall of Neeta Ambani and Mukesh Ambani. And yeah, the poster is really good.
Most iconic film of India, Sholay.
Love this structure. This is made out of waste. Yeah, these are not real materials. These are all waste material that was converted into such an art piece. So guys, this was the entire tour of Museum of Bollywood, and I hope you all loved it. I really enjoyed watching all the posters that they have gathered here and kept here. It brought back a lot of memories, and I hope that if at all you get a chance to come over here, do visit this place because it's really nice. And yeah, that's it. This is the end of the vlog, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till that time, do like, share, subscribe and comment down in this video. And wait, it's still not the end. Picture abhi baki hai, because obviously I'm going to share some of the pictures that I took during my tour of Museum of Bollywood. So watch that, and till the time, take care. Bye bye.